Hey there, painting students. This is going to be your first watercolor assignment. You're going to learn how to do value range with just the water and the paint going from light to dark, and then you're going to learn how to do the same thing with complementary color pairs. Alrighty, the first thing you do, as in any other assignment, is look at the poster on the wall and write specific project requirements on your rubric sheet. So you write your requirements down on the sheet. The requirements for the first part of this is to paint an object and a value scale with just water and paint, as shown in this large poster. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your watercolors, water container, and your paint. You're going to dip your brush in the water, and you're going to try painting dark to light with just the paint and the water. How that can be done is, the darker something is, the more paint and the less water it has. The lighter it is, the less paint and the more water. So to start out with my darkest area, I'm going to paint with a lot of paint. Like so. Then I'm slowly going to add a little bit of water to it and let it get lighter and lighter as I go along till it's almost white. Okay, I can add a little bit more on the dark end and blend some more, and that is going to give me a dark to light value scale. Now I'm going to try to do the same thing with a shape. You can use a sphere, you can draw whatever you want to, a shoe, whatever. And I'm going to make some darks and lights within the next thing I'm drawing. I'm all about drawing faces. I love to draw faces, so what I'm going to do is a face. Okay, here's a face with no darks and lights in it at all. It's just a line with the paint. Now I'm going to add some shading and some highlights, and I'm going to vary that by how much water and how much paint I add. Remember, the parts that I want darker, I'm going to add more paint, and the parts I want lighter, I'm going to add more water. This is how